In a world where power often means bulk, Panasonic dares to redefine what full-frame elegance looks like. Meet the Lumix S9 Titanium Gold Edition, a celebration of design, craftsmanship, and precision. Limited to just 200 units worldwide, the Titanium Gold S9 isn't just a camera, it's a collector's piece. A 3-layer finish, deep black base coat, mirrored lacquer, and tinted clear coat creates a metallic shimmer that dances with the light. Every curve, every reflection tells a story of durability and luxury intertwined. Paired with a color-matched 18 to 40 mm f4.5 to 6.3 zoom lens, this edition embodies harmony between form and function. Each unit comes with a premium leather strap, finished with titanium detailing and exclusive Lumix branding, proof that exclusivity can be both subtle and bold. Behind the beauty lies the essence of the Lumix S9, one of the smallest full-frame cameras in the world. At just 403 grams, it carries a 24-megapixel sensor and 5-axis image stabilization, proving that compact doesn't mean compromise. Designed for creators who move fast and shoot faster. The fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen brings flexibility to every angle, whether it's street photography, self-portraits, or cinematic video. And while it trades a viewfinder for minimalism, it keeps performance at the forefront. Because sometimes simplicity is the highest form of sophistication. Alongside the limited titanium gold, Panasonic unveils new color variants, a sleek silver body paired with black, white, or blue leather. Modern, stylish, distinctly Lumix. 4 expressions, 1 spirit. The Titanium Gold Edition is available exclusively through the Panasonic online store for $1,599, complete with its matching lens. Meanwhile, the new silver variants arrive end of October for $1,498. Precision, artistry, and exclusivity, wrapped in the world's most elegant full-frame compact. For those who see photography as more than images, for those who chase perfection in every frame, the Lumix S9 Titanium Gold Edition is not just a tool, it's a statement.